Hello, welcome to the channel. Here we go, City and Guilds, sample 4 for the level 1, calculator permitted. Let's go. Let's go. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel. Right, let's go back up a little bit. 0.35 as a fraction, give your answer in the simplest form. So that will be 35 over 100. Yeah. Divide both sides by 5 is 57 over 20. Stadium has capacity for 28,000 people. 21,500 attended last event. Approximately how full was the stadium? Okay, so 28,000 people. Oh, no, hang on. 21,000 people out of that. So let's round that bit up. Yeah? So just going to have 21 out of 28. Divide by 7. So that's 3 over 4. So 3/4 full. Okay, down to the next one. The range of temperatures recorded in London is 8. Which pair of temperatures could fit that? No. 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 This one. -2 to 6 is 8. 7 for divide by 3.7. It's a calculator paper. I forgot. 74035.52 divided by 3.7 is some horrendous number. 7403552 divided by 3.7. Didn't these work? So 20009.6. What's 4/5 of 690? So we're just going to do 4/5 times 690. So we can do 4 divided by 5 and then times that by 690, which is 552. A salesperson must drive from Bristol to attend a meeting in Nottingham at 10 o'clock. He needs to work out, leaves to Bristol at 9. So Bristol to Nottingham is there, 140 miles. Is his calculation sensible? No. 140 miles. Too far in just 1 hour. Too far, unless he's flying, or got a helicopter or something. A woman wants to buy a new kitchen for £1,800. The shop offers some plans. The woman wants to know how much her monthly payments will be if she pays for the units over 2 years. Number of years, 2. There. So total interest charge is 15%. So we do 180 times 15%. Or 100, well, 1,800 times 15%. So it will be 1,800 times 15 divided by 100 is 270. So the total price is going to be 1800 plus 270, which is 0702. And she's going to pay it over 2 years. So we do 2070 divided by 24. So we do 2070 divided by 24 months. It's going to be £86 and 25. The man needs to paint the wall behind the monk bed. There it is. Going to be. Who cares what colour it is? Yeah, he needs to work out the area of the space. What area will he paint green? So let's divide that as usual up into 2 parts. So 0.95 from 1.95 is 1. So the first part, A, is going to be 1.3 times 1, which equals 1.3. And the second part is going to be point B, we'll call that B, is going to be 0.95 times 0.5. So 0.95 times 0.5, it's not very much, it's 0.475, 0.475. So now we add the two together, 0.475 is 577.1 meters squared. 77. It isn't very much, is it? 1, 2, 2. Yeah, that's a group of friends play a game of cards. They have already taken 9 cards from the pack. The player wants to know the probability the next card is a spade or whatever it is. Work out the probability the next card. Give it answer. Probability. So, right, number of cards to start with. So, 2, 6, 12, 18, 20, 24. So 24 to start with. How many have they taken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They've taken 9. So 24 minus 9 is 15 cards left in the pack. So probably the next card is a spade. Is going to be, number of cards is 6. 6 of those spades are left, but there's only 15 cards left in the pack. So in the simplest form, it's divided by 3, which is 2 over 5. A joiner has a video channel where he makes items. He wants to organize in 3 suitable groups. Okay, one of these. So the shortest one is a minute, and the longest one is 14 minutes. So 14 take away 1 is 13. The range is 13. So 13 divided by 3. 13 divided by 3 is 4.3. So 4.3. So we'll make it, we'll round it down to groups of 4. Groups of 4. Groups of 4. Yeah, not 4 groups, groups of 4. So we're going to get 1 to 5, 6, 6 to 10, and then 11 to 14. Yeah. Make a comment. How many in the bottom group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the total there is 8 in that group. 6 to 10 is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in that group. 11 to 14 is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Most are short videos in the 1 to 5 minute range. I don't know what you can do in a video that's only a minute long. Not much. A farmer uses a drone to monitor the animals. The drone can fly 8 kilometers when the battery is full. The drone has a quarter of its battery life. So let's even do that before we start looking at. So it can do 8 kilometers when it's full. It's only got a quarter of its life. So it can only fly 2 kilometers, which is the same as 2,000 meters. Just in case. Right. Now, but does the drone have enough battery life to complete the route? So we've got to find out how far it is all the way around. So there's 100 meters. And so it's going there, so it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 squares times 100 meters equals 2,400 meters. So does the drone? No. So route is 2400 meters. Battery gives us 2000 meters. Yeah, route too far. A man needs to work out the filter machine providing uses the following formula to calculate the volume of water, and then he would let's do this one bit at a time because there's too much information in these. So multiply the radius squared by 3.142. So 2.1 squared times 3.142. Right. So 2.1 squared cancel. 2.1 squared times 3.142. So that equals 13.85622. Leave it in your calculator. Multiply the answer to step 1 by the height. So multiply that by 0.7 times 0.7, and then I get 9.699354. There's a lot of numbers here. And then the third step, multiply the answer by 1000, multiply that by 1000, so times it by, and I get 9699.354. What's that? Litres. Okay, now, a man would like a filter machine that can clean the volume of water in less than 5 hours. He finds one that does 2000 litres of water an hour. Right, so now we take the 9699,354 and divide that by 2000. And that'll tell you how many hours it got. So divide by 2000. Then that is 4.849 hours. Would the machine should yes. Yeah, explanation. 4.849 hours less than 5 hours. State the obvious, but you may as well. Right, a man has a flight on 1917 on Thursday. He must arrive at the airport 2 hours before the time. He needs to his car park at the airport. So you've got to work backwards. Yeah, right, so flight is 1915. Right, he must arrive 2 hours before, so arrive, at 17:15. Needs to know what time it is. He will park the car at the airport and it will take him 15 minutes. So car park, take another 15 minutes off of that is 1700. That's what time he's got to arrive. The distance from his house to the airport is 90 miles. He drives at an average of 60 miles an hour. Right, so now we've got one of these SDT things, yeah? We're going to work out the time is equal to the distance divided by the speed. The distance is 90, the speed is 60, which equals 1.5 hours. So now if we do the 1700, take away the 1.5 hours, so that would be 1600, 15:30 leave home. Okay. A woman receives an offer to join the pet club. $19.99 a month. We can offer the following exclusive: annual injection, free worms, 50%. She needs to pay the following cost for a dog: £60, £42, £36. Should you join the pet club? Right, so this is a bit like the judo club or whatever it was in the other one. So for $19.99, and we times that by 12, So 19.99 times 12 is £239 £88. What else has she got? Free injection, 50% off the health check. The health check is £36 every 6 months. So the health check is 2 times 36, which equals 72. She gets 50% off, so half of that, and now we're back down to 36. So add another £36 onto that. And that's it for that, yeah. So 88 and 5 and 7 and so it's going to cost her £275 for the year. Now what if she doesn't join? What if she doesn't join? How much is that going to cost her? If she doesn't join, she's going to pay £60 for the annual injection, £42, so £42 times 4, because it's every 3 months. So 42 times 4 is 168. And she's got to pay a health check every 6 months. So there's a 36 times 2, which is another 72. Right, okay. So that's 1, 12, 19, 20. That's going to cost her exactly £300. Should she join the program? Yes. Right, so joining will save 300 minus 275.88, which equals 300 minus 275.88. Oh yeah, I got that the right way around. It's equal, so she's going to save £24 and 12p. A principal needs to report to the governors the absence rates over the last 4 years. She needs to work out last year's percentage. Total absences, possible attendance days. So we've got 948 divided by 39500, times that by 100 to get a percentage. So 948 divided by 39500, times that by 100, which is 2.4%. 2.4%. Yeah? Okay, so now what's the next bit? She wants a chart. Right. So I'm going to write this year 2.4%. 2 years ago 3.2. 3 years ago 5.6. And 4 years ago 6.8. So that's the average percentage rate. So what we're going to do, so we're going to go we're going to go I don't know, we're going to put that this year. Does it say what this year is? Yeah. So I'm going to put this year is 2020. Yeah. So that's 2020, 2019, 2018, and 2017. So now I can put 2017, 2018, yeah, 2019, and 2020. There, there, and there. Now the absence rates. So this is the year, and the absence rate, and this is percentage. So we're going to go up to 6.8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Doesn't quite fit, does it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. So in 2017 we were 6.8. 6.8 up there somewhere. In 2018 we were 5.6. 5.6, go there. And then we were 3.2. 3.2. Oh, things are getting better, aren't they? And 2.4. So there. So I'm just going to do there. Have we got to explain anything about it? Bear graph paper, draw a chart. So absence. Is it an S or a C? I don't know. Let's have a look. Absence is C, isn't it? Absence last 4 years. Last 4 years. And because we got a bit of square paper, go back to the beginning and say, well, there you go. That was all right, not too bad. Let's wind you over there. Okay, so that's the sample 4 of the functional skills in level 1. I'll do the level 2s here when I get a few moments. So don't forget, do subscribe to the channel. I don't know why it's going backwards and forwards. Yeah, make a comment. You want me to do anything else, a different exam board, thumbs up, say you liked it, and that's it. So down below there's lots of videos for you to watch, links and things. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.